guys.
Hey, Wagwan, master. Y'all ready for this tour?
Yes, we are.
Yeah, all right. All right, y'all, this is our new house right here, all right? It's 2,000 square feet. All right, this little area right here is not set up yet. Me and Whitney arguing over it right now, trying to figure out who's gonna use it, what we're gonna do for it. I wanna make a game room out of it. I don't know what she wanna do with it, but it's a nice little size. I like it. All right, so we got a 2.5 bath, all right? This bathroom is our half bathroom downstairs. You got the nice little granite countertop, and this old toilet. We can see the new toilet got the little thing on top, so we're gonna have to get all those ones. You know, I like those ones a lot better. All right, this closet right here. This closet right here is just for your coats and everything and stuff. So coat, shoes for the guest or also whoever. All right. So this right here is the living room, kitchen area. I know we got most of our stuff hooked up, but not completely. Right here under the TV, we finna get one of those long fireplace cabinets under there instead of hanging this up. This is a 72 inch, I think. 70 inch, and I think it's gonna be too big to be fit on the wall. Okay, but yeah, y'all say not fun, y'all already. You know what I'm saying? That's a nice little huge window right here. You know, so we got the back door. I'll show you the back door real quick. Now, it is a storm right now, a little snowstorm, so the back is not set up yet, but we got to build our own patio. But yeah, this is it right
Oh, it's white. I can't see nothing but white.
This is our backyard right now, so far. Yeah, it's pretty much a build your own backyard, pretty much. But there's a ton of space down here, guys, a ton of space. A little dining area right here. The kitchen. I love this countertop, y'all. This countertop is bod. It's bod. I'm saying granite countertop. I like the electric stove. And you know, it's just more modern. You know, all that more modern. The black and silver. Y'all know how we like it. We like the black and silver. And, you know, of course, we gotta have our refrigerator with the ice maker. You know what I'm saying? We gotta have it. Gotta have it. This door right here is our garage door, y'all. Garage right here. It's a little dirty right now, so don't trip. It's a little dirty right now. You know, we got the cars in the garage and everything. We plan on actually building a right here in the center. What is it called, baby?
An island counter.
An island counter, like a big, nice island counter right here. So this is gonna look fire, y'all. Then we changing this light out to a more modern one too. I'm telling you, man. Y'all know how we get down. Y'all know we stylish. Come on now. All right, this door right here is the basement door. We got a nice basement right here, y'all. Like I said, don't mind everything. It's a little dirty right now, but you know, we still working on everything. We just moved here. We've been here for about 3 weeks now. I'm sorry, my bad. Yeah, so that's all the stuff right here that we gotta finish up, cleaning up, you know, decorations and stuff. Then this is a big open basement. You know what I'm saying? It's nice. You know, we got this little beam here. It's super strong. I can do pull-ups on here, you know what I'm saying? Let me do one for y'all. Let me just do one little pull-up for y'all, you know what I'm saying? Just one, that's it. Y'all got, I'm getting old, y'all, all right? So here, we actually got a freaking fire escape, all right? They built this, you know, in case like a fire or something breaks out. You're stuck in the basement. You got a little ladder here, and you got a little gate up there you can push through. You know, you just open the window, pop out the thing, and all that good stuff. It's locked from the other side, so I don't even know how to get out there. You know what I'm saying? We got to talk to the dude about that. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. As far as the basement goes, though, Whitney want me to turn this into like a game room / like fitness center. You know what I'm saying?
A man cave.
A man cave.
Yeah.
It is a lot of space, but man, it's too cold, bro.
I mean, we gonna have to, like, you know, insulate it or whatever you call it. You know. We gotta make it into a fixed basement.
We'll make it into a finished basement.
Right.
But I don't know, man.
And so you can make it into a man cave.
We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I like the little room upstairs a little better.
No, that room is off limit. I don't want down here. This for you and your stuff, all your manly stuff that I can't stand. You can have it all down here.
Monoxide detectors and the fire detector, what is that, smoke detector? Somewhere around here. But you gotta have those, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all have those in y'all cribs, alright? Those are important. Alright? So let's go upstairs and see what we got upstairs, y'all.
Hi, come on up, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with this room, which is Mommy's room. And this is the first bedroom, guys. This is where Mommy sleeps. This is her little, you know, her little cave. Double windows in here. Oh. Y'all already know, we just moved here, what, 3 weeks ago? So we still decorating, we still unpacking, we still doing, it was a lot we gotta do. So just excuse some of the stuff that you're about to see, okay? We got a closet over here. Excuse her stuff, but yeah, it's a closet. Don't look too much. Oh, yep, so this is the first room. It is on the front part of the house, so when you look out through the window, you're seeing the front end of the house. Alright guys, this is the first full bathroom. You know, just the sink, just the single sink, and tub, toilet. It's a really nice size bathroom. It's a lot of room. I can do this in here. I can do this. I can do this. It's a lot of room, a lot of space. Alright. This is the second room, which my brother is in. He playing the game right now. Don't mind him. This is also a walk-in closet in here. It's a lot of stuff. Yep. So that's 2 rooms down so far. And this is one of the rooms on the back end. So when you look outside, you're gonna see the back of the house. Right here is our linen closet. We put towels, you know, cleaning supplies, paper towel, tissue, all that good stuff in here. Over here is our laundry room. Y'all, somebody should have told me that these was gonna cost an arm and a leg, y'all. Now remember, when you in the apartment life, you don't know that, you know what I'm saying, the prices of like certain things like a washer and dryer. Because we had the building's washer and dryer, so we didn't have our own. But y'all, this stressed me out. These prices is high. I cannot believe how high they are. Alright, and now we're going into baby Kalena's room.
Currently occupied.
Yeah, it's currently occupied by my sister-in-law, Armani. But, laying on the floor. But this is the baby's room. Right now, she's sleeping with us in our room because she's small. Eventually, you know, she'll be in her room once we get it all set up. Jessie want to paint the walls pink. I think it's cliche, but you know, I'm gonna let him do.
You know, like a light pink, you know.
Whatever.
Very light pink.
And then this is her closet with all her stuff in here. Some of the stuff is in my room.
Most of her stuff is in her room.
Yeah, it's in the room with us, cause that's where she's sleeping right now. And then this room is on the front end as well. So when you look out, you'll see the front part of the house. Alright guys, so you know what, I have to leave the best for last, which is our room. So let's get it on.
Favorite room in the house.
This is our bedroom, guys.
It's huge. Huge. Nice and spacious.
Yep. It is a really huge bedroom. Guys, so this house, I can't wait to decorate it and get everything together like I wanted to. You know what I'm saying? When we bought our furniture for our bedroom, when we were living at the apartment, we weren't able to get like our nightstands because the room was too small. But now we got all the room in the world. We finna have our nightstand. I want me a little fireplace under my TV right there. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have a setup for his video games, all of that good stuff. Eventually I'm gonna move this chest of drawer from right here, cause that's where the nightstand's gonna go. And we finna deck it out, y'all. I'm telling you, I just need a little bit of time, you know what I'm saying? I got a newborn, I gotta give her all my attention right now. And yeah, but we gonna get it together.
I like the diamond that we got up here. Oh, boom, there we go.
The what?
The diamond rods.
Oh, the curtain rods? Yep. So this is our space that we get our stuff done. You know what I'm saying? Right now we can't do too much because I just had a baby, but as soon as a girl gets snatched and everything go back where it's supposed to go, okay.
Jesus Christ.
Anyways, this is our bathroom.
Oh, you're showing a baby bassinet?
The baby bassinet is not really a part of the room. It's a part of the room, but it's not.
That's what a baby sleep, y'all. Yeah.
That's just temporary. You know, she gonna have her own room. You know what I'm saying? But this is our bathroom. We have a double sink, his and hers.
Much needed.
Which I love because I hate sharing a sink with this man, my husband. And, you know what I'm saying, we don't gotta fight no more over the sink. We don't gotta fight over the bathroom because, you know, in the apartment we only had one bathroom, y'all. And it was me, my mom, my brother, Jessie, all of us, you know what I'm saying, always fighting over the bathroom.
She take forever to change and, you know, get ready in the morning.
Whatever. Yep, and we have a linen area right here. Eventually, guys, this is my dream. I want to turn this into a standing shower, and the tub that's right here, I want to turn it into a soaking tub or a standalone tub or a jacuzzi tub. That's what I want to do. And take this linen area out. That's what I want. You know what I'm saying? I got visions. I have visions. And then last but not least, we have a walk-in closet. It's a lot of messy right now, as you can see. It's a whole bunch of bags, you know what I'm saying, suitcases. Everything is all over the place. Like I said, we taking our time. We just moved. It ain't been that long, so that's why I look like this. Oh my God, but I'm so happy, y'all. We are truly blessed. Y'all don't even know, you know what I'm saying. 2021 was a really good year for us, you know what I'm saying. We were blessed with a baby. We were blessed with a house, you know what I'm saying. It's just a good feeling, you know. I'm happy. I'm on cloud 9 right now. Y'all, it's snowing so hard. Look outside.
It's a snowstorm. Big old snowstorm out there right now.
Yep. But eventually, you know what I'm saying, I got some of my purses up here, my clothes out, but I'm gonna set this up real nice. I want like a little small table in the center to put, like, you know what I'm saying, accessories. Like, I want like a little table with drawers so I can put my accessories and, you know, smaller items in. I need more shoe racks to go around so we can put all our stuff together. But yep, this is our room, and this is our house. Oh my God, y'all! I don't even know. We so happy, we so excited.
Man, another thing too, when you get new houses, man, you gotta buy these things, y'all. They don't even come with the houses.
Man,
you gotta buy freaking blinds and all that.
Yep.
So that's just stuff that we didn't know about until we built a house.
A lot of stuff we didn't know about, but it's little small stuff, you know what I'm saying. I'm so happy.
Nice house, right? Nice house. Yeah, this is a huge blessing, y'all. Huge blessing. Hey, y'all can get your own cribs too. If we don't know who it might help, but we'll explain to y'all a little bit of like what we went through to get houses. Maybe it can help one of y'all get houses. You know what I'm saying, out there. So the house market is high right now. Everybody trying to get a home. So very, very competitive. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Ours was like, I think ours was really smooth. We applied like in 1 month and we got it a month later, right?
Yeah. Yeah,
so it was real smooth. But my first tip for you, build that credit. All right, our young people out here, y'all do not appreciate credit. You know what I'm saying? Nobody cares about the credit, but it's gonna help a whole lot. Like, try to get like a 620 or higher. You know what I'm saying? Mine's in the 700s. You know what I'm saying? But it's from practice. You know what I'm saying? So build that credit up. You get that. The higher your credit score is, the better chance you got of getting a higher loan or buying a bigger house. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah.
And a better interest rate too.
Yeah, a lower interest rate too.
Yeah. There are different types of loans that you can get. There's a few loans that can really help you with like your down payment and stuff. For example, like the FHA, you know, if you qualify, again, that credit score is key. You hear what I'm saying? If you qualify, you can go as low as 3.5% down on the house, you know what I'm saying, plus your closing costs, which is a really good deal because normally you would pay 20% down, you know what I'm saying? And a lot of people don't have 20% down saved up, but some might have, you know what I'm saying, that 3.5%. So FHA is a really good one. I know there's another one called USDA where you can actually get a 0% down if it's in a rural community. So just do y'all research, you know what I'm saying? There's a lot of different opportunities out there. Same thing for the veterans. You know, y'all got the best deal. Y'all got the best deal with the 0 down, you know what I'm saying? Like, I wish I was a veteran. We would have saved some money. Okay? But yeah, just definitely do some research, you know what I'm saying, on the different type of loans that you can get to buy your house, whether it's your first house, second house, third house, it doesn't matter, you know what I'm saying? It's a lot of information out there that you guys can, you know, research and, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Get that house.
It's really weird right now with inflation and the market crashing and all that, but, you know, if you want it, you'll get it, you know what I'm saying? Make it happen, y'all. So, hustle.
Just put your mind to it. It'll come through, you know what I'm saying? Honestly, we started out, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, we are blessed to have this house, but we did start out looking for somewhere else to rent. We weren't gonna buy it. We thought about buying it. We thought about buying a house.
Hold on. We was gonna rent, right? We thought about it. But the prices of these rentals nowadays, you might as well just own a house. You know what I'm saying?
You might as well.
Because, like, our rent before was like in the freaking 700s and stuff. Now it's all the way up in the thousands. You know
$2,000, almost $3,000, depending on, like it's crazy. Like the rent prices went up and it's insane. So we like, you know what? We just gonna go ahead and get us a house. You know what I'm saying? If we gonna pay that much for a rental and invest that money in somebody else's property, we can do that for ourselves. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we did and we made it happen.
Man, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Y'all, I'm like when she was saying about the washer and dryer. If y'all have not bought a washer and dryer in a while, y'all ain't gonna believe how expensive it is now. It's crazy.
Yes, and refrigerators too, man.
It is wild.
Appliances are expensive. Like
I didn't know. I didn't even know.
Yeah.
But
it's all this modern technology too, though. You know, they charging for their innovations, so I can't be mad at them. You know what I'm saying? Maybe we can, you know, start our own company and, you know, create our own washer and dryer.
Yeah, for real, or something.
Because they making bank, okay? But yeah, guys, just do your research, you know what I'm saying? I hope you found this video a little bit helpful, at least. I know we didn't provide, like, a lot of information, but
just a little bit.
Just a little bit, you know, so you guys can take that, run with it, and do some more research on it, and you know what I'm saying?
We're definitely praying for you guys. We are praying for all those who supporting us. You know what I'm saying? Y'all support us, we support you guys. You know what I'm saying? So definitely praying for you guys. Most definitely. We all want to rise up together. You know what I'm saying? This mountain of success as a team. All right, y'all? But that's going to conclude this video.
Yes.
Thank you guys for watching. We love you guys. And
we'll see you in the next one. I'm just playing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And you will have good luck for the rest of the year. Till next time.